Developing your skill set as a professional is very key in your career progression. And today in this video, we are expounding more on the advanced Excel skill, which is one of the courses that we offer here at Corporate Staffing Services. As usual, my name is Mary Amondo, in charge of training and career advisory services. And I am joined by Anne, one of our career advisors, who will be expounding more on this subject. Thank you so much, Anne, for joining me.
Thank you so much, Mary, for having me. It's always a pleasure.
Great. For every professional, it is very important that we get to develop the skill sets that we have as we proceed or we progress in our career. So Advanced Excel being one of the courses that you spearhead here at Corporate Staffing Services, we just want to expound more on why it is important or why it is necessary to expound or to develop the Advanced Excel skill set for every professional. And we are starting by, what is an Advanced Excel skill?
So Mary, Advanced Excel skill is the mastery of the use of Microsoft Excel as a software that goes beyond the basic functions of Excel, which is a spreadsheet program. So it includes the ability to use Excel to perform various complex functions. This includes things like financial modeling, VBA for programming, data filtering, and sorting. Yes.
Great, quite a lot when it comes to Advanced Excel skill on its own. So why is it important to develop the skill as a professional?
All right, so Advanced Excel and mastering it as a professional offers you various benefits and also makes your work easier on a day-to-day basis as a professional. So first of all, as a professional, there are various functions that you perform in your job that are very repetitive. You do them on a daily basis or several times in a day. So once you master Excel as a skill set, you're able to automate these functions so that you don't have to keep repeating them and doing them manually. You automate it on Excel and Excel does it for you. For those in the financial field, or rather the field of finance, we master financial modeling. This helps you to forecast finances of the company using Excel. For those in the field of project management, you can also use Excel to time the different timelines of the project and also, just document how the project is progressing. And also in terms of decision making as a professional, we all understand that decisions in the corporate field are guided by data. So as a professional, you're able to utilize Excel to analyze the data that you have, and this is going to inform your decisions as a company. So just to sum it up, Excel and mastering the advanced Excel skill set helps you as a professional to increase your credibility and also your efficiency on a day-to-day basis.
Great. Tell me more about the Advanced Excel course offered here at Corporate Staffing Services. What does it entail? What should one expect when they sign up? How long does the course take?
All right, so first of all, the course is a short course. It runs over a period of 2 weeks, that is Monday to Friday, and it's very flexible in terms of the schedule because we offer it from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So you can join us from the comfort of your home after work. It's an online course, but we offer very practical sessions. So some of the things to expect during this course is, first of all, you get to master data analysis. We take you through also advanced Excel formulas. This includes things like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP. We also take you through financial modeling, VBA for programming. And the sessions are very practical because our trainer will expect you to manipulate various data sets that they issue after each module, and you'll have to present your outcomes in class. So by the end of the training, you'll be able to use Excel on your own in whichever field that you're in and increase your efficiency as a professional.
Great. Quite a lot that is covered during that 2 weeks program.
Yes, Mary.
Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Thank you so much, Mary, for having me.
Indeed, as a professional, we began by saying it is important to advance or to develop your skill set as you progress in your career. And if you happen to be in the areas of expertise that Anne has just mentioned, then Advanced Excel skill set comes in handy. This being one of the courses that we offer here at Corporate Staffing Services, we encourage you to click on the link below and be you will be able to register or sign up for our upcoming Advanced Excel course, which will be starting very soon. You don't want to miss joining. There's so many other professionals who have already signed up. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.